Welcome back to another session of learning how to write a good paragraph. A quick recap of the previous class. What is a paragraph? A paragraph may be defined as a group of sentences relating to a clear main idea. The main idea is developed with the help of some supporting information, and the last sentence concludes the topic. A paragraph is the smallest unit of prose composition. The essentials of a good paragraph structure are unity, support, coherence, good language, and variety of structure. Unity in a paragraph means that the entire paragraph should focus on single idea. Start with the topic sentence which talks about the main idea. The other sentences should explain the main idea in detail. A support paragraph is a group of sentences that work together to provide evidence, examples, and explain for a single topic sentence. Children, several support paragraphs usually work together to explain the main idea of a story, an article, or an essay. Coherence is achieved when sentences and ideas are well organized for details. The sentences should be sensibly connected to flow together smoothly. Use linkers or connectors to link ideas, sentences, and paragraphs. Linkers help us establish our ideas explicitly or clearly. They make it easy for us to compare, contrast, illustrate, define, and summarize our thoughts and develop coherent paragraphs. Some examples of linking words are hence, further, because, in addition to, however, at first, although, whereas, in this case, moreover, apart from, finally, especially, as a result. Good language is very important. To communicate effectively, it is not enough to have well organized ideas expressed in complete and coherent sentences and paragraphs. One must think about grammatical accuracy, correct punctuation, and appropriate vocabulary in his or her writing. Process of writing. The writing process is divided into 5 steps. Gather or to collect relevant information. Organize ideas in meaningful sequence. Drafting. Editing or revising. And finally, publish the final version. Sample paragraph. Save animals. Animals are an important part of food cycle, and humans depend on them for a wide range of requirements. They are an integral part of the nature. In fact, human beings are also a form of animals. We must protect them since they are dependent on us. Every animal has a place in the ecosystem of the food chain to keep life in balance. If the balance tilts, disasters follow. Animals also have a role to play in our daily lives. They help in farming, transport, and provide us food like milk, eggs, etc. Many animals are in the danger of disappearing from the earth. It is important to save animals from extinction to maintain the ecosystem's balance. That's all for today. Have a good day.